Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Holy Pablo Place, Spyro 2, Ripto's Rage. Last episode we got through Cloud Temple, and we also did the speed level. Now on our plate is Robotica Farms. And soon we will be facing the big bad Ripto. Doesn't sound like these guys are having too much fun. Welcome to Robotica Farms.
Howdy, Spyro. These here pests have infested our farm. Could you find the time to help us get rid of them? Find your way over to the giant bug lamp and turn it on so we can zap any more feeding pests.
Whoa. There we go. So we get a lot of spits. I don't believe kicking or punching these barrels is a good idea. Just trust me on it. I'm like 90% sure it's not a good idea, so don't do it. So I got a question. What kind of robot needs a farm? You know? What are they making here? How dare you sting me? Oh yeah, head bash enemies. The only way to beat these guys is to duck and dive. I mean, you could also use a supercharge or a super flame, I believe, but we don't have that right now. I mean, we don't have one of them right now. Here's a seesaw. So, just like any old seesaw, apply weight to one side, and it'll go down. Stop shooting at me. That's rude. I guess that's why they give you all those rocks. Well, if I need them, I will use the rocks. But I don't. Professional YouTube gamer, video player extraordinaire here. I don't make mistakes. I just let the computers think they have a chance. Hello, friend. I didn't quite see you there. But that's okay. Because you're dead. Woo! Don't shoot at me. That's not nice. I believe there's a rocket for that chest right there. Uh-oh. No health.
These darn bugs are making a joke of my expensive robot scarecrows. Can you chase them down and flame them, Spyro?
Sure. These bugs will fly off. You gotta catch up and hopefully you can flame them. And thankfully they run in a set path, so you can, 'cause, 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 ' Wow, that went over pretty well. 2 of them already? I don't think more will come, like swarms, so at least we got that going for... What? I lied. They come back. Whoa. Whoa, come on. I got this. So, I got a question then. There are robot bugs. Are there robot crows as well? Because that's what scarecrows are for. Asking for a friend. There we go. That's all of them.
My fields are safe from those flying vermin, Spyro. Take this doodad I done dug up yesterday.
Sure thing, old buddy, old pal, old friend of mine. And they come back, you can fight them, but honestly, why do that when you can just get some help? And a life. Jeez, I have 59 lives. What a world to live in. Oh, I guess you can kick those. And look at that. We are faster than rockets, my friend. Now this pain. I dislike this area. It's not overly difficult, but there are people that are shooting us with their laser butts. Well, when in doubt, go get some more sheep. Health. There we go. 2 ought to be enough to get through the rest of this. I don't expect to take any more damage, but I'm also prepared to take some more damage. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? What? You were like all the way down. Well, whatever. I know there's a thing that shoots out. Stay down, friend. Well, I was looking for, a rock to spit at that guy, but now I have no health. Let's go get some more health, because I don't want to die, even if I get my progress saved. I still don't want to die. My goal is to see if I can get infinite lives. No, not really. Infinite seems like too much. Maybe 4 million, but not infinite. You know? You know. Okay, this pain. We gotta run and jump into that windmill. And I mistimed it. Second time, go for broke. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. You know what they say, folks. Third time's a charm. Ow! What? What? Woo! I made it! Alright, now over here to deal with you. Now, we'll never have to think about this again. Oh yeah, also, here we go, the orb. We're done.
Way to go, Spyro! Them varmints won't be coming near our crops now. Can I offer you a reward?
You can give me a shiny round object. So now that this is open, or this is active, we are technically done with our moral obligation. Except, not really. We still got an orb to collect. Pretty sure, yeah, it's just one orb.
I used to drive my tractor all around the farm, but some fool robot blocked the path up. Do you think you can clear things up with a bit of supercharge?
Clear the path? Sure. Those big things are what we're clearing up. And if you think that Fracture Hill was bad, with my 17 attempts at opening the chest, this is probably just as bad. Okay, maybe not. That doesn't mean I like it. Oh. Run this way. I guess I can grab anything that I might have missed. There we go. I missed the chest. That doesn't matter. There we go.
A fine piece of steering that was, Dragon. Here, take this thingamajig I found in the cow pen.
Okay, that didn't go as badly as I expected it to. And now the big pain. I have to collect all the things. All the gems, that's what they're called. There should be a few more in here that I missed. Did I really grab all the vases in one go? Oh, damn! Alright, my bloodhound. We got what? 42 gems still? There's no way this holds 42 gems. I'm hard pressed to believe it. Where's the entrance? The entrance is over here somewhere, or the beginning of the level. 'Cause I know that's where the pot went. Seven? That's a lot to be missing. Okay, it's not really, but like... There they are. That's more than I'm comfortable with, that's for damn sure. Woo! We got them all! Alright, let's head out of here. Oh, we got everything. Nice.
Oh! Hey, hey!
What is it about bugs and bright lights that just brings them to their doom? Yeah, we got time to do Metropolis. Let's go. Well, they got force fields, they got robots, they got pigs with rockets. What more do you need? Welcome to Metropolis.
This insurrection from the farms has got quite out of hand. We need someone to restore order. Find the inventor droid. She's been working on something big.
Yeah, cows from space.
With all the budget cuts, these elevators need serious work. See, this one here is stuck. I expect it will start working again if you just give it a good whack, though.
I'm sure it will. All the fancy sciencey doohickeys. They even got shields. Why can't I have one? Think about it. I just run in there, guns blazing, and the enemy can't hurt me. And I get right on top of them and I flame them or I charge them. I forgot that about that electrical field. Oh. Okay, we got through that. Oh, little egg, you shall be my life force. Shall give me power. Don't worry about that chest right there. We will deal with it later.
As you can see, a vicious ox has taken over our armory, and here we thought that freezing the walkway would keep animals out. The ox is very tough. I would advise using the bombs against it, and it will probably take several bombs at that.
Use the bombs against the ox. Avoid bombs that are about to explode. Sure. Oh, that one's bad. Those are not good. Those are all really poorly shot. Okay, come on. I can do this. Actually, I'm up. Ow. I'm on my last leg. I died. Screw Ripto, this Ox is the final boss. Jeez. Oh, I missed. Honestly, the best strat is the one that you never think will work, which is shooting all the bombs immediately when they get close to you. And hoping that some of them connect. No joke, that's what I used to do. Supposed to throw one forward. Yeah. No. Yes. Take damage. I missed. I missed. I'm taking way too much damage. Time to retreat. Actually, it's not retreating, it's a tactical disengage. Yeah, let's go with that. What? Why didn't you grab onto the thing? Thank you, Spyro. I'm not doing too hot right now. I'm not doing too hot right now. Ah! No! Why didn't you get on the thing? Tactical retreat. Oh, what? The egg didn't respawn? Heresy. Whatever, we got a health. We can make do with one. Give me good RNG, just straight ahead. No! What? How are those not making it on the platform? How are they not making it on the platform? Explain, Doctor. Whoa. Run away! Got 2 more hits on him to go. Nope, you didn't give me a good one. Ow! I will keep this up as long as I have to. I am not dying to this ox. You can't make me. Alright. Wait for his bombs to stop. And then just walk forward and hope he gives me a good one. He did not. Stay away from me, bomb. What? That was right on him. There we go.
Excellent work, Dragon. We can now defend our city properly. Take this visually pleasing reward.
That ox should not have been as hard as it was. Well, who cares? We beat it. We're no longer going to talk about it. Oh. Man, if I'm struggling against Gulp and the Ox this much, I worry about Ripto now. Okay, maybe not. Ripto's kind of a pushover, not gonna lie. I just... Maybe I'm weird, but I never found Ripto to be too threatening. Even at the dumb tender age of like 7. I think that's when we got a hold of Spyro 2. The original Spyro 2. So right now I'm much older.
Ah, Spyro, I heard you were coming. Thank you for your efforts in thwarting this attempted coup. Please take this item, which living creatures seem to like. It's a first for Avalar, a combination power-up. Thank goodness you're here to test it out. These invading sheep in their spaceships must be stopped.
Take down the flying sheep. Sounds like a plan. Oh, don't worry. They will be making a return. These sheep are legendary. And they'll be even more so. That's a third one. There you are.
Excellent work. You knocked those sheep right out of the sky. Take this orb device as proof of your skill. I knew it. Those first sheep sent out a distress call. The next wave of saucers is incoming.
Take down the second wave. Sounds easy enough. It's only 5 of them. How hard could it be to take down some flying sheep, you know? I'm impressed that I made that. Oh well. I'm gonna grab all the gems first before I take down all the spaceships. There we go. The spaceships are not too dangerous on their own. Only because they shoot from behind. So just don't get behind them. Unless you have to, but try not to. Up there, Sworks? Over here. Where are you pointing to? Okay, well, whatever. We need to make it here. That would have been bad if I landed in electricity. It's a good thing that I didn't, though. Wait a minute. Oh. Down here, Sparks? Oh, further inside. I guess that's where I'll be going next.
Nice flying, Airman. You've proven the genius of my double power-up invention. Here, keep this to commemorate your victory.
Woohoo! We got 64 things. And we need this power up, so we're gonna be... Right. I didn't... We need the power up to open up a chest. That chest over there. Is that everything? That is everything. That way. Ah! Good lord, flying is not easy. Nope. I can't even get all the way back up. Take me up. Take me to your leader. I don't want to see another robot for another couple of years. So we have 5,900 gems out of 10,000 gems. That means that Moneybags has taken 4,100 gems from us over the course of this adventure. I mean, we paid him for it, so I guess all is fair in love and war. Anyway, join us next time as we prepare to take on the big bad Ripto. And if you enjoyed this episode and you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Sakura Faith. And I'm thinking after this, I'm going to take a little break from Spyro, go back to Tales of Vesperia. Because we got a lot to do in Tales still. After that, I'll jump back into Spyro 3 and we'll go from there. So, yeah, I'll catch you all later. Okay, bye.